Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Thursday. How is everyone today? We are doing good. We're keeping warm, and luckily, it didn't get as bad as we thought with this winter storm that came through. We did get the ice and we did get the snow, but we never lost electricity. Oh, thank goodness. Um, Nashville got hit really hard. There's people that are going on 4 days without any power. Bless them. I mean, my goodness. So, a lot of areas a lot worse off than we are. And I'm praying for those people that they get the help they need. So, today is Thursday. I'm going to give you a little update on my Sophie's Universe blanket. I am currently this far. It's getting pretty. Ooh, my hook. I'm going to drop my hook. I had my hook in there. Let me stand up and hold this up because it's getting pretty big. Here it is. And I am loving this. It is turning out so pretty. But I've got to take this light blue out because I realized when I started this light blue that this little guy in the corner, this little leaf here in the corner, see how I have them, they have you attach them and do a front post stitch to attach them. And my stitches are off because this one is supposed to be over here in the corner. So I have done something really wrong in my light blue. So I'm going to have to take all this light blue out and redo that row again because for whatever reason, this is off. This is supposed to be over here, not here. So I've got to redo some things on this blanket. But anyway, it's coming along. And I didn't work on it. I haven't worked on it in a couple of days. I put it aside because I was getting frustrated at the count not coming out. And so I thought, nope, if I'm getting frustrated, it's time to put it aside. If you've ever done that, if you're ever working on a big project and you're getting frustrated because your count's not coming out, the best thing to do is just put it to the side and do something else. And I promise you, when you go back to it, this is what happens to me. I can put it to the side and say, nope, I'm going to let this go. I'm going to work on something else. And then a couple of days later, I can come back to it and it's like, ding, and the light bulb goes off and I figure out exactly what I did wrong. Excuse me, what I did wrong. So this has been sitting in its little whip basket for 2 days. And so today is my day to take out all of this blue and try it again and see if I can figure out where I've messed up. But I am loving the process. I am loving all learning these new stitches and techniques and how this is turning out. The only thing I haven't done is right here on, I think, yeah, these little parts of, they call them flower petals, but these two parts right here that are bumped out, you're supposed to crochet on those and make loops to form to look more like flowers. And they said it's optional. And I was really getting into the groove of going around, so I skipped that part. But I think I'm going to go back. Once I get this figured out and settled right, I think I'm going to go back. And there's 4 corners, so there's 8 of these. So I think I'm going to go back and put the flower petals on these. So you'll probably see that. I'll show you that and how it looks next week. So anyway, that is my progress on my Sophie's Universe blanket. Today, Missy at Missy's Yarniverse and More is going to have her, she's going to be drawing today for the next dishcloth in the Duck dishcloth crochet along. And so make sure to watch her video. And then tomorrow, I will show you the dishcloth that I worked on and finished this past week. And I will show you what we're doing for the next week. So, we have a lot going on. I've got to get a grocery order put in. Our Walmart had closed down their pickup and delivery service because of the storms. So I believe they have started that back up again. So I've got to get a grocery order put in so I can go pick up. Steve told me tonight, he said, don't worry about supper. He said, if you'll get the pickup set scheduled for like around 7, he said, we need to get out of the house and we will go get some dinner. We'll go out to eat and then we'll go pick up our groceries. Fabulous. I said, yes, let's do, because I am about losing my mind in this house. So yes, let's do it. So we're going out to dinner tonight. They have, they say the back roads are still really bad. The county roads are still really icy and bad, but they have finally gotten the plows, whatever you want to call it, and they've scraped the roads. They've plowed the roads finally. So the main roads. So the main roads into town, the the bypasses, the streets around the court square, the main roads that people use often, those have been cleared. So hopefully we'll be able to get to where we need to go tonight and not have any issues. Um, so yeah, that's about all that's going on in my world today. Um, let's see. Trying to think. Um, next week, next Tuesday, we will have a new square for our birthstone blanket crochet along. So stay tuned for that next week. Um, and let's see. We have next week we have Sarah from One Hook Two Hands. Or next month, not next week. Next month, February, for Battle of the Stitches, we will be having Sarah at One Hook Two Hands, and Racine is going to join us from. And I have her. I know I have her written down. Um, I think it's Racine with Happiness. They are joining us next month for Battle of the Stitches, so we're really excited about that. I have already made a project with the February stitch. I wanted to test it out to see if it would work, and it did. So I've already got my project. So I know what I'm doing next month for Battle of the Stitches, and I'm excited about it. It turned out really cute, so I can't wait to show that to you next week. Um, yeah, and starting in February, every Tuesday, starting February 3rd, every Tuesday, Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher and I, we will be going live at 8 Eastern, sorry, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern, every Tuesday night starting in February. So make sure you check out those lives. There's no telling what we're going to be talking about or getting into, because it's going to be just a crochet and chill out. We're going to crochet and chat. We're just going to be laid back and we're just going to talk about whatever's going on. Um, so yeah, so that's it for today. I'm going to continue to work on my Sophie's Universe blanket and give you the updates every Thursday. So stay tuned for that. Our channel is at 2,800, 2,000, not 800, 2,000. Let me look again. 608, maybe that's it. Yeah, 2,608. I wish it was 2,806, but it's 2,608 subscribers. So that means that we are only 392 away from hitting 3,000. So we're getting closer. So I'm real excited about that. So I will see you tomorrow with the new dishcloth pattern that we're going to be doing for next week. And I'll show you the one that I finished for this past week. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Stay warm, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.